guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are going to have a bronzer swatch party. NYX recently dropped their new Buttermelt bronzers in 8 different shades, and I have all 8 in here to swatch out for you guys. We're going to do some indoor swatches. I'm going to show you guys some outdoor swatches, and then we are going to apply them to this ghost white complexion of mine. So I'm really excited for these. There's a lot of different undertones, and I think there's some shades that could possibly be used as blush. I'm going to try and use as many as I can. Some quick specifics over these Buttermelt bronzers. Again, they do come in 8 different shades. I ordered mine straight from the Ulta Beauty website. I have not seen them as of today on the NYX website. So right now I think Ulta is the only place where you can get them. But they're going to be 12-hour wear with a natural finish. This looks like it could be a blush, so I think I'm definitely going to try this one as a blush. Very excited for these. Always excited when we see new stuff at the drugstore, especially from one of my favorite drugstore brands. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are a fan of NYX, if you're a fan of drugstore makeup, or you just want to see these bronzers in action, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, everything that I'm wearing will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get ready. We're going to go to the opposite side of the filming room. I'm going to show you guys close-up arm swatches of these. I'm going to explain the shade names and the undertones, and then I'll take you outside so you can see what these look like swatched in natural lighting. And then I'm going to come back. We're going to start applying them, and then we'll wrap up today's video. If you guys want to see these new NYX Buttermelt bronzers in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here are all 8 shades of these new NYX Buttermelt bronzers. Let me just start with this first one that I have in my hand. You'll notice it's all plastic. There is no mirror. And then you have that beautiful swirl pattern on the inside. These do have like a very nice vanilla scent to them. And then on the back, you can see the shade name. This one is called Buttercup, and Buttercup is described as light with a neutral undertone. So let's go ahead and give this one a swatch. It feels very buttery, creamy, smooth. I'm gonna put that right here. Ooh, it even looks like it has a little bit of a sheen to it. There you can see what Buttercup looks like. Next, we're going to go in with this shade. This shade is called All Buttered Up, and All Buttered Up is described as light medium with a warm undertone. They're the first 2. These are the lightest shades. All right, so this next shade right here, this one is called Deserve Butter, and Deserve Butter is a light medium with a neutral undertone. The next shade we have, focus that in the light. This next shade is called Butter Biscuit, and I know there's a Fenty bronzer named this. Butter Biscuit is described as warm medium with a neutral undertone. This next shade is called Butter Off, and Butter Off is described as medium deep with a golden undertone. Now we're coming to the last 3 shades. This one is called Dew Butter, and Dew Butter is described as deep with golden undertone. this next shade, which I also think could possibly pass for a blush. This is called Butter Days. And Butter Days is described as a deep, rich, with a warm undertone. But I see like red and pink in this one. Oh yeah, it could definitely be a blush for some of us. These bronzers are really different. I mean, they feel like their name, very buttery, very creamy, very smooth. And then this final shade, this is going to be the deepest shade right here. This one is called Butter Than You, and Butter Than You is described as deep, rich, with a warm red undertone. And I definitely think you can see the red in that one. Some of these would be gorgeous as eyeshadows as well, not just bronzers, but here they all are, from light, medium to deep. Definitely very different undertones, and hopefully you'll be able to find one that works best for you. Now here's what all the shades look like outdoors in natural lighting. Very pretty. Now we'll go inside into my filming desk and start playing with them. Okay, so we're going to start first with the forehead. The forehead is where I typically go in with my darker bronzer. So let's see. I have 8 to choose from. I'm thinking I'm going to do Butter Off. Let's see, Butter Off again is described as medium with deep golden undertones. So that is Butter Off, but let me look at Butter Biscuit. Let me just compare them really quick. But Butter Biscuit is described as medium warm with neutral undertones. So here they are, Butter Biscuit and Butter Off. Man, these have like a really reddish undertone. I think I'm going to go with Butter Biscuit. Let me try Butter Biscuit. I'm going to take it on this Wet n Wild brush. That's what it looks like. Tap off the excess and let's start applying. Now there is a very nice scent with these, not overpowering, just very like a kind of almost want to say like the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, very similar to that scent. I love that scent, by the way. But if you don't like that scent, then maybe these aren't going to be for you, because those are the vibes that I'm getting from these bronzers. Oh, I think that is actually a very pretty shade, and it's spreading out really well. Bring it down here to my temples. Yeah, this is really pretty. I love going a little heavier handed with a bronzer on my forehead. Just gives me that added bit of warmth. You know what I think I'm going to do with this shade? I'm going to do a little bit down here as well. I rarely add bronzer. I don't really do contour or anything. I'm just going to add a little bit down here. Maybe I can even do an eye look real quick using these. I do have another video I'm filming after this, and it's going to be 3 looks with a new palette that has not been revealed yet, but I think you're going to like it because it's going to be an affordable palette. Okay, so this shade right here, Butter Biscuit, I really like it, but I think it has definitely reddish undertones to it, but I think it looks really pretty. So next, what I'm going to do, I want to do, let's see, where was the lightest shade? I'm going to do Buttercup, which is this one right here. I'm going to do Buttercup kind of right here on the cheekbone. I'm going to use it to slightly contour with, even though I know you don't contour with bronzer, but here is the shade. I'm going to use my Sigma F12. Ooh, yeah, a lot of came off on there. Let's see. Oh, wow, that almost looks like a blush. So for those of you who have a very pale complexion, this is going to be more than enough for you. Buttercup is, again, is described as light with neutral undertone. And I don't do a lot of bronzer anymore on my cheekbones. I've just been really playing up blush, and I like the way that's been looking. But you do whatever works best for you. So far we have 2 of them on, and I think they both look really, really good. Really nice. Really easy to apply. Let me move the 2 that I've already used off to the side. Now with my Clarity Cosmetics K212, I'm going to do a little bit on my nose, and I'm going to go in with All Buttered Up. All Buttered Up is going to be the second lightest shade, and this one is described as light with medium warm undertone. Ooh, that's a lot. I have to get my powder puff. We can fix this. I'm just taking the powder puff I used earlier. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. I wanted to use the deepest shade right here. The deepest shade is called Butter Than You, and this is described as tan rich with warm red, or I'm sorry, warm neutral undertone. Look how beautiful that looks. So maybe I can use this one, and maybe I can use Butter Days. Let me see. I think I can mix these 2 together. Oh wow, look at what a combination that's gonna make. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a deeper one first. And I'm gonna take it on a Sigma F40. I'm gonna focus that right up here. Wow, that is some serious pigment. That is beautiful on me as a blush. Okay, now I'm just going to clean off that same brush, and we're going to go in next with Butter Days. I'm focusing that, oh boy, taking some off, but I'm focusing that on the apple of the cheek. Now I'm just patting over everything with my slightly damp beauty sponge. But wow, I think the complexion looks really, really good. I'm almost tempted to do a quick eye look. Maybe just throw a couple of them that I haven't used, because there's 3 that I haven't used. Do something in the crease. Let me go in with Deserve Butter. That's this shade right here. Again, this one is described as light medium with neutral undertone. I'm taking that on a BK212. I didn't even prime my eyelids or anything. I didn't think I would be doing this, but you know, why not? Let's try and use all of them. They're just so smooth. They really live up to their name of being buttery. Now we're going to go in with this shade called Butter Off, and this one is described as medium deep with golden undertone. I'm just going to use the same brush, focus it on the outer corner, and also bring it into the lower portion of the crease. So my microphone died, but I'm taking the darkest shade, Butter Than You, and I'm focusing that on the outer corner as well as bringing it into the crease. Now with that same shade, I'm just running it down to the lower lash line. Now I'm using a NYX Flesh Tone eyeliner just to add a little bit of brightness to the lower waterline. Alright guys, so after using all 8 shades of these new Buttermelt Bronzers from NYX, I think they're absolutely wonderful. I mean, look at this face. Everything on this face is bronzer for the most part, and I love the different undertones, the different shades that they included, from the very light which is this one over here, to the deepest of the deep. If you're needing red, pink leaning bronzers, then I think you're definitely going to find your place within this collection. But maybe you want to pick up one or two extra and use them the way I did as blush. I think it would be beautiful that way. I mean, look, even my eyes are all bronzer. I love the formula. It lives up to its name of buttermelt. I think it's really good. It does have that soft little scent to it. Kind of reminds me of the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So if you don't really like that scent, then you might not be a big fan of these, but I will say, love it. I will say that the scent does not linger. So as you're applying it, it's slowly going away. It's not something you're going to smell all day long. For 10 bucks, 8 different shades, I think they are definitely worth adding to cart. I ordered mine online from Ulta Beauty. That is the only place so far where I have seen these bronzers. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think of this full face of NYX bronzers? Did you like them? Did you see shades that might work for you and your undertone? Sound off in the comments down below. These are getting 2 big thumbs up from me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.